Hi, I'm Amos with Ramco, here with the Turck IM18-CCM Cabinet Guard. Control cabinets are the brains of industrial machinery, but can be vulnerable to temperature, humidity, and tampering. These can cause all sorts of problems and even lead to system failure if neglected too long. Thankfully, the IM18-CCM Cabinet Guard from Turck can help. It combines temperature, humidity, and cabinet door sensing into one device you can use to monitor the condition of your cabinets remotely. Its slim profile won't take up much room on your DIN rail. Connect it with the Ethernet port to collect data. The second port can connect to external sensors and allow you access to even more information. On the front, under this cover, are diagnostic LEDs. Behind this grill is the temperature and humidity sensor. And these shiny bits are a laser distance sensor that can detect whether the cabinet door is open or closed. I've connected my laptop to the cabinet guard, and you can see the live distance reading from the door sensor. If you have people on your team who forget to close panel doors, this can be a game changer. With a few simple prompts, I can also check the temperature and relative humidity, even the status of my power supply. This is a manual way of checking the data, but you can also use this in automated systems like SCADA to trigger alarms if conditions are undesirable. To learn more about how the IM18CCM from Turck can make predictive maintenance for your control systems easier, contact Ramco today. We bring automation to you.